What's up, guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making a delicious brownie. I don't even think I have a brownie recipe on this channel, but first time for everything. So let's get into this recipe. That we're perfect, delicious, and chocolatey. So first you're going to put some melted butter right down in your bowl. This is the method I'm choosing to use. I'm pretty sure everyone has their own way, but this is the method I'm using. You want to then add your sugar and mix it up just like this. Remember, all ingredient measurements will always be in my description box. Add your eggs and mix that up until you get like a ribbon consistency. Alright, so now you're just going to add your instant coffee, your cocoa powder, just like this, your salt, your flour and baking powder, and mix this up. I end up needing a spatula, so I switched out. You don't want to overmix. Just get it nice and combined, and once it's combined, then you're good to go. These are the chocolate that I'll be using. I'm using some sweet chocolate chips as well as some dark chocolate, which ended up being the wrong one I bought. It's 95% cacao, and it was just way too bitter. However, it didn't make the brownie nasty. I actually like that slight bitterness I got from it when I used it, but some of you guys might not like that. So I'm going to put the suggestions in the description box along with the recipe. So, but I liked it. It was slightly bitter, but I liked it. And you want to mix this up. We're going to pop this into a 375-degree oven for 22 minutes. I didn't say 24. I didn't say 18 minutes. I said 22 minutes. Put it down in here. Now you're just going to spread it out just like this. Remember the peanut butter from earlier? I melted some peanut butter in a tub in the microwave. And I'm just going to drizzle it on top and bake it off. So this is what it looks like, guys. So was the peanut butter mandatory? No. Am I extra? Yes. Did it give it a slight bit of flavor? Of course. So I suggest using it. However, you don't have to. The brownie is totally fine on its own. It was so chocolatey. Like, if you never had chocolate in your life, you had chocolate eating this brownie. Okay? Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.